Let's style this razor cut bob into perfect lived-in texture. You will learn how to use a diffuser to create lived-in texture. After flat wrap styling into natural fall, we lightly spray the hair with water and sea salt spray to activate natural texture. Using moisture or curl cream on the ends for definition. Using my paddle brush to twist the face frame away from the face on both sides. Avoid running our hands through the hair, minimizing how often we touch the hair unless we are cradling the sections up. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers. And 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. This will prevent fluff and frizz whilst continuing to support the natural texture. I tilt the head to the side, directing the airflow down whilst cradling the hair up with my opposite hand. This will create a modern head hugging shape while encouraging curl or wave activation by cradling the hair up. We elevate the head back up and direct the airflow on a 45-degree angle, continuing to dry the hair. With cool air, I place the whole fringe section into the diffuser, directing the section on top of the head. This will set the wave or curl, enhancing the movement. We continue this process around the head shape, splitting into two sections and only doing this to the top section. This will support the haircut shape, accentuating our blunt razor cut line and our internal invisible layers. From blunt razor cut to beautiful lived-in texture in minutes. This is the final result. It is important to style the haircut, supporting the haircut shape in the way that it has been cut for the best styling results. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cut a blunt bob using a razor. This is a one-length razor cut, a solid heavy haircut to control frizz, yet has a soft textured edge, cut with firm tension to create controlled bounce and movement. Perfect for clients who want a one-length haircut while still having controlled volume, texture, and movement. Take your skills further. Join my membership program for less than $2 per week. Exclusive members only masterclasses. Invest in your skills today. Join now for instant access. In this masterclass tutorial, you will learn how to cut invisible layers with scissors and a razor to create internal shape and volume. If you liked this tutorial, I'm sure you're going to like this one next. And if you learnt something new, let me know in the comments below.